If you've been seeing Juniper Lane all over your feed and wondering if it's actually worth buying from, here's the quick truth. Juniper Lane is not a scam. It's a legit online clothing store, and most customers do receive their orders. A lot of buyers say the pieces are cute, wearable, and pretty close to what's shown in the photos. That said, the experience can be a little hit or miss. The biggest positive is the style. They've got trendy, modern, everyday pieces that look great online, and checkout is secure, which is always a good sign. But here's where people get frustrated. Sizing can be inconsistent, so definitely check the measurement charts before ordering. Some customers also mention the fabrics feel more synthetic or less premium than expected, and shipping can sometimes take longer than you'd hope. Returns can also be a hassle, so read the return policy first. So, is it worth your money? If you're expecting luxury boutique quality, probably not. But if you're looking for affordable, stylish casual wear and you shop carefully, Juniper Lane is a reasonable option. I'd call it a solid 7 out of 10. Just shop smart and keep your expectations realistic.